Today's topic is to check for the float string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a replace and an isdigit method, and the method two by using a float method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a replace and isdigit. So first we are going to initialize our string. After that we are going to use an isdigit and a replace method. So what we're doing over here, that is string dot replace, we are replacing our dot with null over here, that is with the no intent. We are removing the dot, and after that we are checking that after removing the dot is the given particular string is digit or not, and that value we are storing it into the string number 2, and we have them as an output. So as you can see, our given string is 123.456. So the replace is gonna remove the dot from our string, and the is digit is going to check it that if the string is a numerical form or not, and after that we have an output which is a true.